powerful computer hack you didn't know exist. Save this video for later and share it with a loved one. First, go to the search bar and type in CMD. Then run your command prompt as administrator. Now type in power cfg/battery report and click on enter. This will scan your computer for any kinds of battery issues, and it will report them for you. It will provide you with a location where you can access the report. Just copy it and paste it into your command prompt. Then you will be taken to the battery report where you will find every detail about your computer battery report. You can use this report to figure out whether something is wrong with your battery or not. Now, if you run your command prompt as administrator again, then type in chkdsk/r and click on enter. This will check your entire computer for any kinds of physical sector issues, and it will automatically fix them for you.